In this section, we are going to cover the 5 must-haves in your trading journal, and then in the next few sections, we'll go over more in detail each must-have. But before going into the 5 must-haves, you may be wondering, what are some things that you could write down in your trading journal? Well, the first thing that you could write down is your why. What motivates you to learn this skill of trading, and what would it mean to find a consistent winning strategy? What would change in your life? You could write down your different market views and your philosophy of the market. This is how you understand the markets and how you make the decisions to act and manage the risk of your account. You can write down your observations of the market. Each day is different in the market, but there are tendencies that consistently occur in the market that you can use to your advantage. By carefully observing the market, you will recognize these tendencies and how you can use them to make your trading system even more profitable. Also, you'll be ready in case the market environment changes and be able to change your trading strategy along with it. You can write down mistakes that you make or missed opportunities. This includes things like closing trades too early, not taking good setups, entering the wrong entry levels or position sizes, or anything else like that. This should all be recorded so you can avoid the same mistakes in the future. You can also write down performance statistics. Many aspects of your Forex trading performance can be quantified into hard data. This gives you a realistic, non-subjective picture of how you are doing. Now, I know this may all sound like a lot, which is why we are going to go over at least the 5 must-haves that you definitely cannot miss in your trading journal. So these 5 must-haves are number 1, potential trading area, number 2, entry trigger, number 3, position size, number 4, trade management rules, and number 5, trade retrospective. It's still your trading journal, and it's always going to be up to you to use it however you want, and if you want to use these must-haves or not. But this is our suggestion if you don't know where to get started. I'll see you in the next few sections where we're going to go over the detail of these 5 must-haves.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.